G'day, it's Nathan, and I'm just going to show you a quick demo of how to get FireWallet Browser set up. So, first step is you need to have a handshake node running. So let me just start Bob Wallet. Just going to start up. It's been a little bit slow. Come on. Alright, there we go. Cool. So while that's starting, if the FireWallet Browser GitHub repository is where it's got all the instructions. So if you go to earl.woodburn.au/firewallet FW, it will take you to the GitHub repo. So easiest method is just installing via Git. So let's do that. I'm just going to create a new directory. Okay, let's clone. And I'm just cloning all the files of the FireWallet. That shouldn't take a sec. I might just double check that I actually have the latest version. Dev is a little bit ahead, but has it got anything important in there? Sorry, my internet's a little bit slow at the moment. I should be right. It's taking a long time. Why is my internet always slow? It's like, who knows? Nah, it's alright. The main, I'll pull the latest changes to the main, but I'm just a little bit behind. So if you clone this, you will have some new features, which will make it a little bit easier. Okay, that's nearly done. Bob Wallet is synced. And I need to get my API key, which I'll get in a sec. Okay, so let's change the directory into FireWallet Browser. Now, next step is I need to install the requirements. So this is just installing and making sure that you have all the requirements to run the FireWallet Python. So let's now copy some variables. Let's actually open the code so you can see a bit easier. Okay, black theme, yeah, that's all we need. Let's grab an API key. So if you go into Bob, view API key and copy that. Awesome. We save this, and then if you're on Windows, you'll run python main.py. That should be Python 3 like this. I fixed that as well. So I will run this just as well, so you have the same. It will start it up, and there's a links to the page. I'll just use the localhost or 127.0.0.1, and let's log into that wallet. So notice that it's already connected. If it doesn't connect, make sure that you have saved and put in your HSD API key. Let's log in. And look at that. All set up. Easy as that. So many really long domains, eh? Cool. So with some bids, what am I bidding at the moment? Let's look at some other way around. Oh, I'm revealing the BTC auction. I don't have any bids to reveal, but if I did, I could reveal them there. Let's there we go. Reveal ends very soon. If I go to the auction page, you should be able to see some of the bids on from other people. There we go, look at this. Oh, I don't think I've won with my bid of, where's my bid? Here. Yeah, my one HNS bid probably hasn't won, considering it's a 500,000 one there. Yeah, I don't think I've won that auction. Oh well, that's all good. So some other features of FireWallet Browser is the generate report, and look at this. It's got all of these, and the good thing about this is it's really easy to import this or have it in a CSV. I am planning on adding some plugins to have different syntaxes for the export or the report. You've got transaction history, so I can see I transferred some HNS, 5 HNS to this address. So there's a lot of transactions. You can see my current bids as I showed you before. Send HNS. Let's just send myself Nathan.Woodburn, and let's just send myself 2 HNS. Okay, let's go a preview of the address. Double check. So sending that, which has an address of this, it'll cost 2 HNS plus some mining fees. Confirm, and look at that, all sent. I'm not sure if Naomi will show it up quite yet. Might have to wait a bit. So yeah, my internet's slow. There we go, cool, it's already showed up. You can also receive HNS, super easy to use. Just double check that I actually copied that. Yep. And the QR code for mobile wallets. I am planning on adding a scan feature in the send HNS, which would make QR codes a little bit more usable. What other features are there? There is plugins. Let's look at the example plugin. You can search for own domains, bulk transfer, which actually doesn't do anything at the moment. It's just a demonstration. Same as the setting DNS. Naomi info works, so that'll show you the Naomi rating for domains and HSD connections. So before I enable that, if we have a look at the dashboard, notice how it's got these 4 panels or cards. If you have a look at this example plugin, it has a HSD connections, which is a dashboard type. So when I verify the plugin or enable it, you should only do this if you trust the plugin, because if it's a malicious plugin, they will be able to have full control of your wallet. So just be very careful. Okay, if I go back into my dashboard, it adds a plugin card saying my wallet is connected to 4 other nodes, and they're providing connection. Notice it's also got a pending transaction, which will be that HNS I just sent. Yep, there we go. Look at that. And that's the same 08C. Yep. Okay, let's also have a look at that Naomi rating. If I go to Woodburn 1, I think that's my domain. I could actually only have 2. I can't remember. And look at that, it's got a Naomi rating of 43. Wow. Okay, let's see if I manage this domain. Let's edit my DNS records. So I have txt for test and hello. Let's see if I add some NS records for ns1.woodburn, and you can just add these quite easily. ns2.woodburn and ds, which I don't actually have a record of that. And if you go save DNS, look at that. It's like easy as pie. Well, the first couple of letters of pie at least, numbers. Okay, some other features is you can rescan, which I don't want to do because it'll slow my node down. Resend unconfirmed transactions. This is especially useful if you have a wallet like mine that loses connection. You can just click resend. And Xpub, and I think that's about it. So, thanks for watching, and I'll update my repository in a sec. See ya.